Hello guys, Ethan GV here. Welcome back to another episode of Ratchet and Clank Size Matters. In this episode we are going to do stuff. Connect, Xbox, connect. In this episode we are going to complete Clank. We're going to complete him. We went inside him and now it's time to complete him. Do you think I can go over there and survive? So yeah, I think I can. So. Oh no, I didn't know it'll take me through this. Oh gosh. I didn't know it would take. That's some bullcrap. Alright, let's just connect. Xbox. Connect. No! Ah! Really? 8 health, you know, I'll take that. Let's just get the polarizer out. Pull me over there, because I have a polarizer, get it? Oh, I'm such a loser. Okay. Okay, yeah. Jump! Home. No. Okay, never mind. That wasn't as bad as I thought it was. But now it's gonna like take me through stuff. Okay, never mind. This is this is nice. I'd rather connect to this one. Seems like a better one to connect to. Okay, will this kill me? No, look at me, I have, oh wait. Let's go to armor, and let's hook it up. Ooh, look at us, we look sick. But now we need to, you know, put the gloves, oh wait, no, I put the wrong thing on. We need to put the gloves on. Ooh, look at that. We have now a special hidden armor set that we have unlocked. The firebomb armor. 84, look at that, 84, oh my gosh. We are going to live, wait, let me read, I can't read. Something, let's just see what it is. Wait, what? Oh, look at that. So basically when you hit them, they blow up, but, oh crap. I'm going to like knock you guys down.
You got short-circuited when you interfaced with Luna. She must have had a level 9 access protocol installed, which activates retroactively
No,
when
of course she did. Right before you conked out, you said you found the clone factory coordinates.
Accessing? Yes, I do have them. I cannot believe I was stupid enough to make such a simple mistake.
It happens to the best of us, pal. The important thing is, you got the coordinates.
I suppose you are right. We should get going.
Yeah, pal. That's pretty loud. I don't want to go to the coordinates first. We are going to actually head to Metalis. We are not, we're going to, because never mind. I think this is probably the second to last episode. Holy crap. This is the fastest series ever, 11 episodes, and I finished it super quickly. Metalis, whatever his name. What? Okay, what we need is the polarizer. No, don't get back in the ship. You drunk? We need to get the polarizer out. Connect to this, so we can open the door. As I say in these Ratchet and Clank playthroughs, I will go through every area available. I think this isn't even a map-o-matic area. This is just an area you can go through because if you have swag, you can go through it. Ah, what? That's not even possible. That's not even pause apple. Pause an apple. Ah, brah, brah, brah. Oh, oh. Uh. Uh-oh. These guys look familiar, right? They're not that tough. They're literally the same exact thing they were last time, so we just... You guys are not tough. You guys freaking suck. You guys... Wait. Do I even have Firebomb activated? Okay, for forcing a Mega Bomb per wildfire, range can be superheated to the point where it can simultaneously ignite in the air on the third swing of the wrench combo. And incredible fire. Oh yeah, okay. So that's pretty sick. That's gonna be. I can't believe that's our last one. Whoa, whoa! I don't think that was supposed to happen. Ah! Ah! And it still explodes whenever you hit an enemy, so. Nope. Pull our shock rocket out. Okay, we didn't get hit. Oh. Now this is what I'm here for. Not this big bolt. This big bolt lame. Big bolt lame. I'm here for all these bolts. Ah, bolts, 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 bolts. Bolts. I love bolts. Okay, that was it. Our fun has been spent. Wait. Where's the teleporter? No! How do I get out of here? No! You can't. Ow, ow. Okay. Let's just go over to Cauldrona, because I'm kind of done with this area. Oh, we were going freaking ultra fast. Oh, there's a teleporter. Wait, what is this thing? That's an arena? Wait, that was the arena? Oh, okay. This is the Robot War arena, I think. I think it is. Unless the Robot War arena's over here. Wait. No, that's the Robot War arena. Whatever. Let's just head to Cauldrona. Here we go, and I think there's a cutscene. Loud!
I don't believe it. Another dead end. You lose a contact or something?
Just as I suspected.
Of course! The factory shrunk. Well, let's stomp around until we squish it, huh?
I do not think it will be that easy to find.
Fine. This little Emperado should be a piece of cake anyway. Let's get shrinking.
We're going through the butt crack. We went through the butt crack. That's gross. Yeah. It smells like the evil bows of a wombat monster. Oh, it's still on. Evil bowels of a wombat. That's nasty. I should probably stop talking. I'm gonna make myself throw up. Okay. Whoa. Let's have upgrades for guns we actually use. Okay. Lock on mod. Wait, where'd it go? Come back. That's cool. I should have bought that. Alright. I don't see the little circle thing. Did it lie to me? Did I even get it? But I just needed a lock on mod for this thing, like... Ugh. Okay. No! Oh my god, it's Ratchet! Get out of here, lacerator Ratchet. Lacerator Ratchet. You're not cool. Unlike me, a real Ratchet. Swagger. Okay then. That was complete. I didn't know I could actually jump to that. Let's go. I guess. No. What? You drunk game. Oh no. I can go through. Oh no, it's the nurses. No, die lacerator Ratchets. I will avenge you, real Ratchet. Oh wait, I'm still alive. Oh, they take off a lot of damage. I guess they are the final boss. Enemies, I guess. I don't know. Oh gosh. More swing shots. Alright, let's go. I sense a Ratchet. I sense a very Ratchet. Oh, Ratchet, you Ratchet. You Ratchet. Oh, oh crap, he has his friends. All they have is wrenches though, so. It looks like I have to beat myself at my own game. I should just stop. Oh no! Wrench Ratchets and Ratchets, I guess. Ratchet, wrench Ratchets, and Ratchet, lacerated Ratchets. They all Ratchet. Oh crap. That camera angle though. As long as there's held on the other side. Wait. Oh crap, I'm out of ammo. Maybe I should go find ammo before I act like I have swag. Oh yeah, we have this. The static barrier, guys. Oh gosh. The agony of remembering this. Yeah. This is horrible. No, okay. This is really freaking difficult. It's okay. I did that quite easily. I thought I would totally ultimately fail at that. The laser tracer. We need to get that gun before the final boss. Cause that gun is pretty good. Are they fighting Ratchets? Are they fighting themselves? That's stupid. You guys are all stupid. Oh gosh. The static barrier went away. I don't want it to turn all wiggly. That's what it looks like. It's like all wiggly and stuff. I don't have 3 fingers. Alright, let's just enter the grind rail. Oh gosh. Yo, God. Jeez, a lot of turning. I'm getting dizzy. Oh gosh, no. Oh gosh, I wasn't looking. It's just gonna take me out of the grinder. Get back in there. Get back in there. Yeah. Bruh. Why is there always bombs on grind rails? Okay, ow. No. Bruh. Super skater, bro. Look at me. I'm a super skater. Oh gosh. Oh. No. That's not gonna look pretty. Oh. You think I can jump that? No, I can't. Okay. Okay, see the end. Okay. Oh, wow. Stupid Grindlocks, get back in there. How dare you despise me? Okay. Okay. Oh man, I'm holding my breath every time I jump. Yeah. Whee! Bruh. Long jumps, bruh. Long jumps. Oh gosh. Yeah, I wasn't gonna make that anyways. Gosh. Brutality. Jeez. Thank God. Okay, you guys came out of nowhere. I don't like you. Oh gosh, no. So many peoples. Okay. That's got a little uncomfortable. Where do I go? Oh, Ratchet. You guys are all Ratchet wrench Ratchets. Don't try to throw your wrench at me. Do you see me going? No lesser Ratchet lacerated Ratchets. Okay. Oh no. The power inside of me is within everyone, I guess. How come you guys don't upgrade your mana attack? Am I done now? Can I go through here? Oh no, gosh, more Ratchets. That was kind of scary. They all came out in the same place. I'm pretty sure there's probably gonna be more Ratchets. Where are you guys? Where are you, Ratchets? Oh, no, never mind. Oh gosh. Crates. Ratchet can't reach you. Ooh. Do we have enough to buy skin? We have 3, so we'll just buy Kangaroo Ratchets. We're not gonna wear them, duh. We're just gonna use them. Ready for a Ratchet party? This summer, be prepared to get up. Prepare. Because this Ratchet is really Ratchet. He's a really, did he just come out of that crate? ratchetness. So much ratchetness. Yeah, so much ratchetness. So much ratchet. Oh gosh, no, get up there. No, stop wall jumping. What are you doing? No, stop. No. No, what are you doing? Jump up there. Get your nanotech. Gosh, you drunk? I swear, Ratchet's like on some drugs or something. Okay. I can't see. Stop locking. Okay, maybe the lock-on mod wasn't that great because it's destroying my camera angles. Okay. Yeah. I don't like you. Oh gosh. What? We're gonna jump on this? Let me guess, I just let out like freaking Ratchet on drugs or something. I don't know. Oh gosh. Continue point. What does that mean? What does that mean? Oh my gosh. No.
Ratchet, how very nice to see you. Although I'm sure you've seen enough of yourself already.
Otto, I am sorry that no one gives you credit for your work, but there are other ways to earn respect.
You actually pulled that cheesy story. This isn't about credit for our work or respect or whatever nonsense you've come to believe. This is about power, and what is more powerful than intelligence?
The rhino?
Nothing is stronger than the power of the mind. Do you see this area behind me? That is what this has all been leading up to. I have developed the technology to transfer the intelligence from the being in one chamber to the being in the other.
What?
After I have grown these clones to full size, I'm going to use my Ratchet army to gather every intelligent being in the solar system. Then I will transfer all of their brain power to me to become the most intelligent entity the universe has ever known.
That is pure evil. Yeah? Well, none of this will happen until you get by us.
Easier done than said.
No, I don't like this. What? Where'd you guys get power centers? We're gonna kill ourselves. That's it for this episode. Next episode will be the last episode, guys. I can't believe it. The last episode already. Oh my god. Like, no, I'm not even lying. The last episode already. Really? But off screen, I will try to get the laser tracer and this, probably just the laser tracer because the sniper Ryan doesn't do crap. But after I get the laser tracer, I will, try to upgrade it as much as I can. And then, we could fight the final boss. So, hope everybody enjoyed. This is, gosh, I keep messing up the ending. Hope everybody enjoyed. Be sure to leave a like, favorite, subscribe, subscribe for more. Comment for your feedback, because I want your feedback. Anyways, my name's EthanGV, and I'm out. Peace.